In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Authy. Now, before we dive into the deletion process, there's an important step to take. Make sure to disable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on any accounts that still use Authy. This includes platforms like Instagram, Discord, or Robinhood. This is crucial because if you skip this step, you might lock yourself out of those accounts. We definitely want to avoid that. Once you've taken care of that, you're ready to proceed. Go to the official Authy account deletion page. You can find it by typing out www.authy.com/phones/delete in your web browser. This page is where you'll initiate the deletion process. Next up, enter the phone number associated with your Authy account. Complete the verification steps that follow. This ensures that you are the rightful owner making this request. With that ready, you'll confirm that you want to delete your account and start the deletion process. It's a big step, so take a moment to be sure this is what you want to do. After you request deletion, here's what happens. Authy places your account into a 30-day deletion period. During these 30 days, if you have a change of heart, you can cancel the deletion. Authy will send you emails with instructions on how to do this. This period acts as a safety net, giving you time to reconsider. At the end of the 30-day period, if you haven't canceled, your Authy account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. This is important because once it's gone, it cannot be recovered. So be certain about your decision before the 30 days are up. If you're in the situation where you only want to remove one account from Authy, you don't need to delete your entire Authy account. Instead, open the Authy app on your device. From there, navigate to Settings, then to Accounts. Here you'll find a list of all your linked accounts. Locate the specific account you wish to remove. On an iPhone or iPad, swipe left on that account and tap Remove. This action schedules the token for deletion. It's a handy feature because you can recover it for a limited time if you change your mind before it gets permanently removed. An important note to remember: if you're transitioning to another authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or 2FAs, make sure to move or reconfigure your 2FA accounts first. Only after completing that step should you proceed to delete Authy. This saves you from the hassle of losing access to any of your accounts deleted. With these steps and insights, you're now equipped to manage your Authy account effectively, whether you're deleting it entirely or just removing a specific account. Thank you for watching. Remember, careful management of your two-factor authentication is key to maintaining the security of your online accounts.